Put this under your tongue before bed and watch what happens. Many people suffer from sleep problems. The factors can be many: insomnia, stress, economic problems, among others more. The problem is that if you do not sleep enough hours, your body does not rest enough to be able to fill with energy and be active for the activity you will perform during the day. There are many medications to sleep, but they are not recommended because you become dependent. So this time we will give you a simple trick so that you can overcome that problem and you can fall asleep quickly. Trick to sleep. Some studies have revealed that the sugar-salt mixture can have a stress hormone-related effect, so that people can consume sleep more easily. I know that many will wonder that the consumption of these two ingredients in excess is bad, but here we propose to use it in small quantities that will not affect your health. Next we will tell you how to prepare this trick and how to use it. Ingredients: 1. 5 spoonfuls of brown sugar. 2. 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Preparation method: 1. You must mix the salt with the sugar in a glass container, previously washed, sterilized and dried. The key to this recipe is that you mix these ingredients correctly. 2. The perfect blend is 1:5, that is 1 tablespoon of sea salt for every 5 sugars. Method of use: you should take some of the mixture and place it under your tongue before bed, or you can apply it if you wake up during the night. After a few minutes you will begin to feel the dream and ready, you will have achieved it. Benefits of this recipe: 1. It relaxes the nervous system, reducing stress. 2. Controls serotonin and electrolyte levels. 3. Strengthens the immune system.